Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Have you ever wished your business could produce stunning, full-color mail pieces at warp speed without breaking the bank? What if I told you there's a machine that can transform your direct mail, invoicing, and marketing efforts, making them not just faster, but genuinely impactful? Get ready, because the Formax ColorMax7 digital color printer is here, and it's a game changer. This isn't just another printer. It's an innovation hub packed into a sleek design. Formax has truly outdone themselves, bringing the latest in innovative printing technology directly to your business. We're talking about a high-speed color printer that, incredibly, is 3 times faster than traditional shuttle head printers. Think about that for a second. 3 times the output in the same amount of time. What could that mean for your productivity and your bottom line? It means you can tackle those massive mailing campaigns, send out personalized invoices, or craft eye-catching promotional materials in a fraction of the time, dramatically reducing labor costs and meeting even the tightest deadlines. With speeds up to 7,500 envelopes per hour, the ColorMax7 isn't just fast. It's a productivity powerhouse, ensuring your communications get out the door when they need to, without compromise. And thanks to its built-in top-load feeder, loading media is a breeze, keeping your operations smooth and continuous. But speed without quality is just wasted motion, right? That's where the Formax ColorMax7 truly shines with its astonishing print resolution. We're talking about up to 1600 by 1600 dpi resolution. Let that sink in. This level of detail ensures that every logo, every graphic, and every line of text is rendered with breathtaking clarity and vibrant precision. Your brand colors will pop, your images will be crisp, and your messages will be unmistakably professional. Imagine sending out mail that doesn't just get opened, but actually captivates your audience from the moment it's picked up. This printer ensures your brand makes a powerful, memorable first impression, elevating your marketing materials from generic to genuinely premium. It's the difference between being seen and being truly noticed in a crowded marketplace. Now, let's talk about the magic under the hood. The full-color inkjet technology combined with advanced thermal technology. This powerful duo is what makes the ColorMax7 so incredibly versatile and efficient. The full-color inkjet delivers rich, consistent, and vibrant hues across a wide array of media types, from standard envelopes to glossy postcards and thick cardstock. And the thermal technology ensures that these stunning prints dry almost instantly, preventing smudging and allowing for immediate handling and processing. This isn't just about printing beautiful colors. It's about doing it reliably, quickly, and cost-effectively, especially for short to medium runs where traditional offset printing would be prohibitively expensive. This innovative blend means you get durable, high-quality output every single time, ready for whatever your business demands. The Formax ColorMax7 isn't just a printer. It's an investment in your business's future. It's about empowering you to communicate more effectively, more efficiently, and with greater impact than ever before. If you're a business looking to scale your mailing operations, enhance your brand image, and slash your production times, then the ColorMax7 is precisely what you need. It's fast, it's precise, and it delivers professional results that will make you proud. Don't just send mail, send a statement. Stop settling for less and elevate your communications to the next level. Ready to revolutionize your print operations? Find the link to learn more about the Formax Color